Your brand, your architecture, your creativity. GLLS.
Hey guys, it's Jamie here from Green LED Lighting Solutions. Today we're going to talk about how to put a snap connector lead and end cap on. Onto the fixture, I have an RGB fixture here. So these are the components that you'll need. It is the end cap, so snap connector end cap, the fixture itself, the two grip plates, the two compression plates, the inducer, and the two snap coverings, and the lead, of course. So we're going to start with the lead. This is a 0-2 lead. So if you look under your fixture, it will say 0-2 on one of the sides. That's cut. So that's the side that this lead will go on. So first things first, we're going to put the snap covering on. So on the bottom of the snap covering, you're going to see two labels. One is bottom and one is snap end. So the snap end arrow has to face the end of the fixture. So let's go ahead and do that now. Give yourself about an inch or two of room just to work with and put the lead on. Next, you're going to grab your inducer. So the inducer is going to go in on the copper side of the circuit board. Basically, it just gives it room so that the lead pins can go in. So again, you're just going to put it in, wiggle it a little bit, take it out, grab your lead. And it does have a safety covering, just so it doesn't damage the pins. So take your lead. And again, the pins are going to go on to the copper side circuit board. Make sure all the pins are on the copper side. If not, it could damage the light. So there is going to be a little bit of gap here. So that's where the compression plate comes into play. So you're going to see what it will do after. But first we're going to take the grip plate. Very important. This here, this area right there, that's going to be at the end of your fixture. So there will be a little bit of overlap. That's what this is meant for. It just helps with the compression of the actual clip. So what you're going to do is just align that perfectly with the end of the light. And then squeeze it a little bit. And then after that, you're going to take your compression clip and you're just going to kind of push it down. And you'll see that, see right there, it compresses the end to the actual light or to the fixture. And you're going to want to keep pushing it until you feel it's secure. So you will feel it snap into place. And then after that, you're just going to push the snap covering. So the snap covering is going to click. So when you push it, you will feel and hear a snap. All right, so that is for the lead. So we're gonna go ahead and do the same thing for the end cap. So again, make sure that on the bottom of the snap cover, it is labeled bottom and snap end. Snap end is to the end of the light. So this here is a 0-1 side. So you're just going to slide that over. Again, you're gonna give yourself about an inch or two of room. Again, you're gonna grab your inducer. So the inducer is, again, the copper side of the circuit board. Put the inducer in, wiggle it around a little bit. Again, you're just giving yourself some room so then you can put the end cap on. So in this black box, again, this is a protective cover. So inside here, this is your snap end, and it does say 0-1 on the side. So they are labeled for whatever side they go onto. So again, this has to be on the copper side of the circuit board, just like the lead. There you go. Push it in. It will have that gap again. So you're going to grab your grip plate. Make sure that this here is on the end of the actual fixture itself. There will be that overlay, but that is supposed to be there just so that it connects with the end cap itself. So again, align it with the fixture. And then squeeze it. Grab your compression clip. Align it and push down just like before. Again, you're going to feel it snap into place. And you're going to push the snap covering over again. and you're going to feel a little snap as well, so that you know that it's secure. All right, and that is basically how you assemble the snap connector lead onto the LED neon flex. All right, thanks guys very much for watching, and have a good day.